Hi, I'm Brian Wilkes. Optimism bias makes us hope that COVID-19 is just a temporary annoyance in our normal lives, but it's more likely to be with us for generations, just like influenza. A COVID vaccine or an effective therapy is essential right now for returning the world to normal. The biotech firm Moderna began the first human trial testing of a potential vaccine to prevent COVID-19 on March 16th in Seattle. Its ticker symbol, mRNA, is also the abbreviation of messenger ribonucleic acid, one of the factors in virus replication. Inovio Pharmaceuticals initiated phase 1 trials for a possible coronavirus vaccine in early April. Inovio CEO Dr. Joseph Kim said, "We expect to finish enrollment of all 40 volunteers before the end of April." So that's the end of this coming week, so then the human testing can begin. Inovio plans full production by September 2021. Inovio's stock price has more than doubled in the past 3 months. Johnson & Johnson plans to produce 600 million to 900 million doses of its experimental coronavirus vaccine by April 2021 if the human trials set to begin in September go as planned. Pfizer Pharmaceutical is also working on a vaccine. Gilead Sciences had some initial disappointment with its treatment, remdesivir, but analysts say those numbers could change once adjusted for pre-existing conditions like diabetes or hypertension. British American Tobacco, through its subsidiary Kentucky Bioprocessing, has preclinical testing underway in Brazil, and production of a vaccine could start in June of this year. China's CanSino Biological, which trades on the Hong Kong Exchange, is the only company with a candidate vaccine in phase 2 trials. Their stock value has doubled since March. Well, there are actually 70 commercial and institutional research labs working on solutions for this pandemic. My father always told me to bet on the future and to bet on smart people solving important problems. Click the link in the description for access to a zero-fee brokerage account, free trading research tools, and free stock shares. As a bonus, you'll get my list of companies now working on COVID vaccines and treatments, along with their ticker symbols. A fair disclosure, I do own shares in some of these stocks, which is why I know about their recent performance. If you'd like to see more reports like this, simple. Please like and share this video, subscribe to my channel, and hit that notification bell. See you next time.